Welcome to Delna's Learning World channel. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell for more videos. Thank you.
My child is not interested in studying. That's every parent's worst nightmare. In most cases, parents get them book to study by forcing. No, never ever scold them. Don't force them to study. A big no to this method. Method 1. Letters, numbers, shapes recognition. Don't push them to write numbers or letters. Give them some flashcards or plastic or wooden numbers or letters. Method 2. Showing pictures. Children will start writing while the picture of alphabets or numbers will clear. Start with showing picture. Method 3. The power of storytelling. Telling stories is one of the most powerful tools of teaching. Kids love stories. Tell them some fun stories with number or alphabets. This makes study in fun way. Hold him or her in your lap when you read. This helps your toddler feel safe, happy and relaxed. Method 4. Study with fun. Never ever say to them, "Let's go to study." Tell them, "Let us do something fun with numbers or letters." Like make numbers or letters or shapes with Play-Doh. Yes, it should be colorful. By this way, they get interest in learning. Method 5. Rhymes with actions. Don't force them to memorize a rhyme by just saying it in a normal way. They will enjoy dance with the rhythm of the rhymes. Make some actions. Your child will also enjoy making up your own family song. At bedtime, sing the rhymes as lullaby song. This helps them to memorize the rhyme automatically. Method 6. Specific time. Set a specific time for study. Identify your deadlines and important social dates to keep you free for your child. That is the only time all your stress will over and you give a perfect teaching time. Your child will also understand that this is the time for fun study time. Proper place. It is easier to concentrate in a quiet, peaceful, noiseless space. Concentration is needed to learn. Method 8. Colorful study. Kids love colors. Get your child a few attractive and colorful alphabet blocks, numbers or shapes. Explore their world of colors while even learning alphabets or numbers.